Hello, my name is Andrew Reinhardt. I'm a physician who specializes in the treatment of people with diabetes and the author of I Have Diabetes, Now What? A survival guide that no person with diabetes should be without. I Have Diabetes, Now What? Is not a treatment guide, but instead was written as a guide that contains the vital information that all people with diabetes need to know to manage their diabetes on a day-to-day basis in a concise, practical format. In my book, I discuss the general differences between type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus, assembling your diabetes care team, treatment goals, screening for complications and other diabetes-related conditions, treating low blood glucoses or hypoglycemia, managing sick days, foot care, insulin pumps, and elevated morning glucoses. I am a firm believer that knowledge is power, and I have seen too many patients who are not receiving the education they need to properly manage their diabetes, and from this, I Have Diabetes, Now What? Was born. While researching for I Have Diabetes, Now What? I found numerous books about diabetes, and the majority were 300 and 400 pages long, and thus overwhelming and impractical. I wanted to create for you a useful resource that is at the same time concise and practical. The topics discussed are helpful for all people with diabetes and their family, whether they had diabetes for 15 years or were diagnosed yesterday. Once again, this is information that everyone needs to know. Treating diabetes properly needs to be done by a team of professionals. And in I Have Diabetes, Now What? I will outline for you who needs to be a part of that diabetes care team and how to assemble your team. Diabetes has many related conditions, and my book provides for you a summary of the most current treatment goals for diabetes, as well as blood pressure, cholesterol, exercise, body weight, and others. There are a number of potential complications of diabetes, and I will outline for you the ways to screen for and, more importantly, prevent these complications. I Have Diabetes, Now What? Is my way of giving people with diabetes and their families the information and knowledge necessary to empower them to choose the best possible diabetes care team in order to optimally manage their diabetes and ultimately prevent the long-term complications that can occur and allow you or your loved one to lead a normal life. Thank you.